In the high mountains of Ladakh, where reaching schools itself can be a challenge, STEM learning is transforming the learning experience for the students in underserved schools. Here, we are creating active, engaging classrooms that give them access to quality STEM education, opening doors to better opportunities and a brighter future. Through innovative hands-on learning, trained teachers, and active student participation, we are redefining how science and math are taught and understood. Across 30+ schools, our mini science centers have brought learning to life through hands-on models. Here, concepts are explained using our interactive models that build conceptual clarity and practical understanding. Through peer-to-peer activities, students learn by doing, discussing, and teaching each other, strengthening understanding, teamwork, and communication along the way. We are also ensuring that our solutions are effectively used by teachers. Through regular training, we empower teachers to integrate hands-on models into daily lessons, making every classroom session more interactive, engaging, and collaborative. Our systematic monitoring and evaluation ensure that each student's progress is tracked, measuring real improvement in conceptual clarity, problem solving, and critical thinking. Bringing STEM education to such geographically remote regions is no easy task. But with the support of our CSR partners, it has become a reality. Together, we are making STEM education accessible, meaningful, and lasting, empowering Ladakh's young learners with the skills, confidence, and curiosity to shape their own futures.